A direct drive air compressor is a powerful and efficient tool designed to deliver high-pressure air directly from the motor to the pump without the use of belts or pulleys. This direct connection enhances energy transfer, reducing power loss and increasing overall efficiency, making it an excellent choice for both industrial and home applications. Unlike belt-driven compressors, which require periodic belt replacements and adjustments, direct drive models have fewer, moving parts, resulting in lower maintenance and a longer lifespan. These compressors are compact and lightweight, making them highly portable and easy to transport between job sites. They are commonly used for tasks such as inflating tires, operating pneumatic tools, spray painting, and powering machinery in workshops, construction sites, and garages. Available in both oil-lubricated and oil-free variants, direct drive compressors cater to different user needs. Oil-lubricated models offer superior durability for heavy-duty tasks, while oil-free versions provide cleaner air output, ideal for painting and medical applications. Their rugged construction, combined with reliable motor performance, ensures uninterrupted operation even under demanding conditions. The advantages of a direct drive air compressor go beyond efficiency and durability. These compressors are known for their ability to deliver immediate air pressure without the lag time associated with belt-driven alternatives, ensuring a more responsive and continuous workflow. They operate at lower RPMs compared to belt-driven models, which minimizes vibration and noise while increasing overall reliability. Many modern direct drive air compressors are designed with advanced cooling systems to prevent overheating, further extending their operational lifespan. Additionally, they are available in various tank capacities, allowing users to choose the right size, based on their air consumption needs. Whether used in automotive repair shops, construction projects, or home improvement tasks, a direct drive air compressor provides consistent performance and convenience. While they may not be ideal for continuous heavy-duty industrial applications due to potential heat buildup over extended use, they excel in medium-duty and intermittent tasks, making them a preferred choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. With a compact, user-friendly design, high-efficiency output, and reduced maintenance requirements, the direct drive air compressor is a practical and cost-effective solution for a wide range of compressed air needs.